Bye, TK. Pre-check again. Another airport day. We're heading to Honolulu. Mom Bear's here. The K's here.
She has her own vlog today.
So we're gonna show at the K all around Hawaii.
For one day.
Our,
One day.
our first time in Honolulu. So today's gonna be a long day.
Which one's your first?
But it's gonna be good.
Maui.
So this trip is gonna be the one where we announce her the pregnancy announcement. But the vlog's gonna be already showing details. So you guys wanna see what Joe's wearing?
Questions.
Look at her compression socks. Because she got swollen.
I'm so happy. Provided by Tita Bell.
Yeah, so she can't fit any of her shoes much, guys.
I can't.
Look at the cake. Let me see your bump, girl. Show us. Wow. Alright everyone, so here we are again with another Hawaii trip. We're actually just heading to Oahu for one day since we're flying in a day earlier than the fam. We're with the K and we're going to be meeting up with the rest of the fam in Maui tomorrow. But we decided to treat ourselves to an upgrade to first class since they offered it to us over an email for a small upgrade, of course. And actually our bid was accepted. But downside to taking this offer, even if you have 2 on your itinerary, you're actually not guaranteed to be sitting together. And I didn't really think about this possibility until we checked in, we got our seat assignments, and we were seated at 2 separate window seats. Joe was in 2A right here, and I was in 3J over here. But I figured we could just talk to the gate attendant, the gate agent, when we get up to the gate to see if he can move us around. But unfortunately the people we were next to were like these older guys. But anyway, it's just a small tip for those considering doing this first class upgrade. Arriving now in Honolulu, and one of our good friends, Kazea, is picking us up from the airport. So we're spending the day here in Oahu just for the day. We're gonna do the Oahu food tour, Kazea's food tour, kind of. And we're gonna take a decay around. We're gonna do the island in one day. Is that even possible? Is that even possible? It's possible. It's doable. I don't know. Let's get food. So we're here in Eggs and Tingz, Ko'olina. Gonna start the day off here and get breakfast. And everybody's here. So we're a couple days away from posting the pregnancy announcement on Instagram and Facebook. So we figured we should tell Kazea and her brother Mark while we were there on Oahu, hanging out with them. So this is actually when we told Kazea the news over breakfast. Ate Kay's first time at Dole.
Yes.
Hi, Priggers. Priggers for the vlog. Kazan knows now, guys. Wata! Here we go. It oozed out. So next stop on our little loop around the island, we go to this spot that, I don't know, maybe like 2 years ago? Like 2 years ago, Mark took us and then we're just driving around. And then we were here. And here's my bear. And at the K. So keep in mind, we've been driving around straight from the airport. We haven't checked in exactly to where we were staying for the night, so we aren't exactly like beach ready, but we had to just check out the spot since we were around the area, and of course we couldn't resist but to get the first feel of the ocean right away, and of course take some baby bump pics.
Where'd Hawaii?
Alright, so it's been a pretty eventful day. It might be a little windy right now. I'm using my phone. I left the vlog camera in the car. But we're here at Makapu'u Lookout. We've been here plenty of times over the visits in Oahu. I don't know. It's nice. They're over there. They already took their pictures. But yeah, man. Just doing a little island tour, going around Oahu, and then we're gonna go hit dinner tonight with Mark and Andrew, and then we'll see everybody, the rest of the fam. We'll see the rest of the fam in Maui tomorrow. But yeah, man. Look at that view. It's like super windy out here, guys. But some pretty good swells. Pretty crazy swells today. It's getting late afternoon, so you know, it's turning out real good. Late afternoon. Oh look, blowhole spray. Hopefully they got the picture of that one. Did you guys get that one? Oh yeah, right there. The K is getting good ones. Getting good hits of it. Oh, there he goes. There he goes.